Hello, my friends. I'm Venus Martinez, and today I want to show you this place. And you guys know that I really love fresh rolls and spring rolls and samosas. So here in Toronto, we have this nice and amazing place. They call Samosas Sweet Factory, and it's in Toronto. So I wanna to show you guys this place. So let's go and check it out. So I'm already here in Samosa Sweet Factory here in Toronto, and from my place from Mississauga to here Toronto is 35 minutes driving. So, but it's okay because I'm gonna show you guys the place, and it's so good, so delicious, and also yeah, let's go and check it out inside. Hi. Can I have those $10 spring rolls? Spring rolls? Yeah, $10. $10 spring roll? Yes. The masala is spicy?
Chana masala?
The masala, yeah.
It's not much spicy, but not it's mild.
Which one is not spicy?
The chana masala is more spicy than other stuff.
Pretty much everything is spicy. Okay, so can I try the masala and one naan? That side? Oh, small.
Which naan? Plain naan, butter naan, garlic naan?
Sorry?
Which naan? Plain naan, butter
No,
naan,
just
garlic
plain.
naan? Plain naan? So, $10 spring roll, one chana masala and naan, right?
Yeah.
Is that it?
David. Thank you.
कोई बात नहीं, बस ओके। नॉर्मल दे दो। और 10 वाली। मेरा फूड भी है सारा कुछ। ओके, थैंक यू।
Can I green chutney with it? That's a sweet one, right? I can.
I'll take one aloo kulcha plate. One aloo kulcha. Are you able to give me
143.
Are you able to give me change?
5 minutes? 5 minutes. Sure. What? Okay. Yes. Okay. How about the rest? Sure. Yeah. Thank you. Woof. So it was not a lot of people, but the problem here is customer service. So something that you're not gonna expect the best customer service, but anyways, the food here is delicious. I'm gonna show you guys how I eat, how I love my spring rolls from this place. I love it, and I also order masala and also anam. It's like kind of bread. It's so good. It's so delicious. Let me show you guys. So in here, you guys gonna see the spring rolls. This is the spring rolls, guys. So they're small. They're three for $1, but they are delicious. So good, and they give you sauce. This is sweet, and also these ones. I don't like too much this one, but I really like this. So this is the other one. Not gonna open yet, but this is, and this one is so good, so good. I'm gonna go home and eat it. I really love it. And like this one, let me tell you the price. The naan is $1.50, and the other one, the masala, this is masala. This one is $4.99, $5 plus tax and everything. Today I pay like how much I paid today? I pay and 30. They give me 30 spring rolls. 30 spring rolls because I ordered $10. So $10 is 30 spring rolls. So yeah. And this place sometimes is so busy. It's so busy. Sometimes I spend like 35 minutes ordering and getting the food and everything. Sometimes it's so busy, but today it was okay. It was not so bad. So that's so good. The name of this store is Samosa Sweet Factory here in Toronto. So I hope you guys come and check it out. And I'm gonna put the address below so you guys, if they have the opportunity to come here, come and check it out. Anyways, this is everything for today. Thank you so much for everyone who watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.